Nothing has been on an incredible journey since their very first phone launched back in 2022, followed by the Phone 2 in 2023 and some mid-range options in 2024 and 2025. And now Nothing is gearing up to launch their most premium device yet, the Phone 3, which is officially launching in London on 1st July 2025. So get ready folks, because we are going to dive into the groundbreaking leaks, official confirmations and more about the Nothing Phone 3. Let's first dive into the biggest news about the Nothing Phone 3, and this one is special for our North American viewers. Remember the struggle with the previous Nothing phones in the US? Well, those days are now gone, as the brand has officially confirmed that it is coming to US and Canada this time, and it has already been spotted at Walmart. And this is not just about availability. This time we'll be getting full support with AT&T and T-Mobile. This is huge, as Nothing is finally ready to go mainstream in North America this time. Now let's talk about design. While Nothing phones are known for the transparent back and glyph interface, but this time Nothing is officially saying goodbye to the glyph lights. Yes, that's true, as this time the Nothing Phone 3 will feature a dot matrix style display at its rear, which again the brand has officially confirmed. This will be something similar to what we've already seen in the past with ROG phone. Well, here's a fun fact. Basically, I got a hint about this design from the Nothing team itself last year when I visited their office, as they gave me a statement that the design of Nothing Phone 3 will be unlike anything they've designed yet. While that didn't make sense that time, it does make sense now. However, everything is not gone, as the transparent design is here to stay, and the Phone 3 will be available in two color options, that is black and white. Now moving past the design, let's talk about the core specs that we'll be getting in the Phone 3. Well, the brand has officially confirmed that under the hood the Phone 3 will run on Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 mobile platform, which is Qualcomm's latest flagship tier chipset, which is packed with next gen AI features, buttery smooth multitasking and high-end gaming performance. This will be paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage options. The display is also getting a major overhaul this time, as the 6.7 inches 120Hz LTPO display will now have a higher resolution of 1.5K and will have a higher brightness of up to 3000 nits compared to 1600 on the Phone 2. So this will basically add to your experience while you're using your phone outdoors or maybe consuming HDR content. The Nothing Phone 3 is also confirmed to feature a triple rear camera this time, which will be a regular 50 megapixel wide lens paired with an ultra wide lens and a periscope lens, which goes in line with the Nothing phones we have seen in 2025. And the camera performance is expected to be much better this time, because the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4's triple 18-bit AI ISP supports up to 250 layers of semantic segmentation. Basically what it does is, it can identify up to 250 objects in the scene in real time, which also includes skin type, texture and lot more. While this might sound good on paper, how well it actually be in real life, that needs to be seen. The rumors also point towards a 50 megapixel front shooter this time, with a slightly bigger battery of 5150 mAh cell paired with a faster wired charging of up to 100 watts, and the wireless charging is here to stay. Now coming to AI features, we have been hearing a lot about Nothing's AI ambitions since last year, and we have seen a glimpse of it on phones like Nothing Phone 3A, 3A Pro and even the CMF2 Pro in the form of Essential Space and the Essential Key. So you can expect the same Essential Space features like managing screenshots, screen recordings and the context awareness capabilities to be baked in the Phone 3 as well, with some new additions as well, which Nothing plans to announce at the launch. The Essential Key will be there on the Phone 3 as well. And going by this teaser, the phone's model is A024, which will be designed in London but manufactured in India at their Chennai facility. And for the interest of the Indian users, Nothing is working on to expand their support functionality, as they right now have 5 exclusive service centers in these cities with over 300 authorized service centers across the country. The Nothing Phone 3 will ship with Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 15, and the brand has officially confirmed that the Phone 3 will come with 5 years of Android upgrades and 7 years of security updates. Now coming to the pricing, while Carl has already given us a hint about €800 price tag for global markets, the US variants are expected to come at a price of $799 for 12 to 56GB variant and $899 for 16GB 512GB. While this pricing might sound good for the global markets, with my experience, my gut feeling says that for the Indian markets, considering its price sensitive nature, we'll be getting an even affordable option of 128GB of storage. So there you have it, everything we know about the Nothing Phone 3, which is officially coming to US this time with a brighter display, a new design and flagship level specs. So what are you most excited about the Nothing Phone 3? Let me know in comments. If you found this video useful and informative, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified about every new upload right in time. Till then, I'll see you next time.